Yeah, I came in for a routine checkup, and it was mentioned that there were signs of cheek biting, and I had previously woken up in the mornings with quite bad headaches, and it was only when my dentist put two and two together that we realised that I had been biting or clenching my teeth at night. And so just for prevention, I decided to move forward with the mouth guard. For me, it was instant. I've had mouth guards before. They were very rigid before, and I just felt that it was quite intrusive at night time. I could always feel its presence. It was very tight as well. But because this one was molded to my teeth, I was never able to grind it as well. It didn't feel intrusive. It just felt just like any night. But the best thing was of all was that I woke up headache free. I didn't feel like my jaws were tight. So it's been a dramatic improvement, I think, for my well-being, especially in the mornings as well, having no headaches at all. So it's been very good.